I also want to give you some homesteading tips when it comes to hawks. These 3 tips that I have done. I have not seen the hawk around in a couple weeks. This is not 100% proof. I have done these tin pans around and it seems to scare them off. I have seen a hawk come down on one of my chickens. And the good thing about having geese, they went after that hawk and attacked that hawk. One of the predators of hawks are owls. I bought this beautiful stuffed owl. I sprayed it down with weather protector. And I take this owl, I have it posted, and I alternate it different ways. Because hawks are smart. And my 3rd tip, this seems to work, a human scarecrow. Again, it's not proof, but I haven't seen the hawk around for a couple weeks. And again, I can take her, she's attached to a pole, and rotate her around to different positions also. Another thing you can do is, I have this culvert, can't even say it right, but this here, I put it down so that way if there is a hawk, then the chickens can run in and take cover, because hawks won't go into a confined area. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this up, and those are my tips for chickens and hawks, and also how to try to help protect your chickens from predators. All right, take care, guys.